I woke up feeling spicy today, so here's a video on what makes your zodiac sign toxic. And no, I will not be arguing any of these points. It is what it is. If you don't like it, you just don't like it. Aries can be some of the most selfish and immature people you will ever meet. Period. Taurus thinks they're always right, even when you have evidence to the contrary. They will never admit to any mistake, therefore they're never sorry, because they're always right. Geminis are masters at twisting the truth, and they do it so well that I'm not convinced these people actually know the difference between a lie and a truth. They're so addicted to drama and chaos that they will literally manufacture it for fun. Cancers are experts at weaponizing love. They will get close to you emotionally, make you feel safe, and they will keep notes on what makes you tick, so if you ever cross them, they know where to hit you, which is where it hurts the most. If you're not constantly showering Leo with words of affirmation, praise, gifts, just telling them how amazing they are and how godlike they are, and if you don't actually make them feel like they're God, you're going to be a problem, because you know what? They're the center of the universe. Meanwhile, Virgos think God died and left them in charge. These people think they can do nothing wrong. They think they're perfect, and they love to take on projects such as lovers. So they'll date people that they think are damaged or broken because they want to fix them, only to turn around and kill them with criticism and negativity. It's suffocating. Libras are the biggest liars. They're emotionally manipulative, and they love pitting people against one another. And when they're done being the stirrer of the pot in the background, they will come in the limelight and act like they don't know what's going on. They'll play both sides behind the scenes, because at the end of the day, they don't like to get their hands dirty, but they want everybody to love them. Scorpios have some deep-rooted trust issues from childhood that you're never going to be able to break through. So if you think you know them, you never really know them, because they have a closet chock full of secrets, I tell ya. Secrets that you wouldn't believe. Meanwhile, they're all up in everybody else's business trying to find out everybody's secrets. And if you ever let it be known that you don't trust them, it's World War III. Sagittarius love to compete. They love to take things beyond the reasonable measure that most of us would consider the reasonable line. They love to step over it. They think without speaking. Their bluntness can come across as aloofness sometimes, because it's like their brain is not engaged while the mouth is moving. Back it up and take it down a notch. Capricorn is power hungry and will stop at nothing to get it. Literally everything is on the table for them. Aquarius is an alien from another planet, and these people come across like they don't have any empathy or human warmth. So if you're looking for a hug when you're crying, Pisces are the masters of making themselves the martyr in every story. It's quite an art form at this point.